Today we are going to make these delicious coconut balls. For that, you need to add 1 cup of grated coconut into a bowl. Now add half a cup powdered milk. Now mix the dry ingredients well together. Add 1/4 of a cup condensed milk. Mix the ingredients and add then the rest of the condensed milk. Add optionally 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now for the coloring, you need to add some colors. Now make some balls. They look absolutely yummy. Look at the colors. Tell us in the comments how you like them. Click on my channel to see more videos.